good in there. Man, let me roll the window up, y'all. I'm letting my baby warm up right now just so the car is actually warm. I hate driving my car when the car is not fully warm, bro. I don't think that's good for the car. After I let it warm up, man, I'm finna go to the wash because I want to put my YouTube name on my back window. You know, if you seen the SS, I had it on my front windshield, but I really didn't want to put it on this one, so I got one for the back. So shout out to my boy Don, man. Go follow him. I think he got a page on Instagram too for his little decals he make, but he the one who made my side decals for, you know, my Instagram and my YouTube name. I'm gonna go to the wash first because I never cleaned off my car after I drove it in that snowstorm, so I know it's probably salt or, you know, just some dirt on there. I can tell that, you know, the back windshield need to be cleaned off, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the stickers on there, and then from there I'm gonna let y'all know what we doing because I wanted to go do a draggy test on the ZL1, man. I really want to see the 60 to 130 time, you know, while I got these mods and before I do more mods, you know, just to see the difference after I get more mods, and, you know, as I continue to build, I'll be able to see, you know, the times get better and better. So I'm gonna let y'all know what we doing as soon as I get there because I do want to go do a draggy test. I'm really just waiting on my man's Mike to call me because he at work right now. He work at a dealership, and I think he took it to his job. That way, you know, I could pick him up and do it on his break. So I'm gonna let y'all know as soon as I get to the car wash, man. All right, so y'all can see the Z warmed up and we on the road, man. If y'all can help, go subscribe to my boy before we go link up, man. I'm gonna drop his name down below, or I'm gonna drop it at the top just so y'all can click it if y'all got the app. And that's another thing I meant to say. If you don't got the YouTube app and you like to watch my videos, please download that app. That way you can, you know, be counted as a subscriber. That way you can comment and everything like that. Because if you don't got the app, you don't really see everything. You can't even really do everything that you really can do as if you had the app. There's way more stuff that you'll be able to see on the app. I'm finna get gas, man, because the Z just got on E. At one point, this was the only gas station I could come to because I used to be on E85. And in my city, it's literally only Speedway and one other gas station on E85. And soon, the Z gonna be on some E85, man. We definitely need some better, you know, some cleaner race fuel, some better race gas. So, man, eventually we'll be done with these regular pumps, man. We'll be back to yellow pumps soon, but I'm about to get this gas real quick, so I'll see y'all in a second. Y'all can see now, this is what I meant by it being real dirty. Y'all can see that for sure. All that salt, dirt. Man, with it being ceramic coated, it's really kind of hard to see the dirt because it just looks shiny all the time on camera. Look at the carbon fiber hood, man. That looks terrible. So we gonna go ahead, go to the wash and get that cleaned up for y'all, man. Got to the wash, man. Gonna pull it right here. Give it a rev for y'all because here it sounds stupid. Just talked to my boy Kurt and he like 10 minutes out, so I'm waiting on him to pull up, man. By the time I'm done drying it off, Kurt should be here, so I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a few minutes, man. My baby actually all the way clean now. What I did was I just brought her here because the wind was blowing too hard. That way I could put these on. So I'm gonna put these on the back real quick and I'm gonna show y'all the difference, man, as soon as I'm done. We finally got it on here, man, so I'm gonna take the stickers, or I'm gonna take the paper off and see what it look like, man, and see if it's perfect or even, because I feel like it's uneven now that I really look at it. This got a lot of space right here compared to right there. I don't know, man. I feel like it's a little bit too far left, but we gonna see, man.
2,000 years later.
It up, but y'all really can't see on camera, so that's all that matters. I feel like it's too far on the left, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. At the end of the day, I feel like it ain't too bad, bro, especially when you just walk up to it. I don't know, it look good. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. My boy Kurt just pulled up, man. Y'all see we got the 5-0 right here. We got my boy Josh Merrill right here. So what we finna do is, man, finna do a part 2 of his reaction in my car, man, because for one, now that I got mods, he hasn't drove my car since I got the mods, man, so he don't know what it feel like and he don't know what the power like. So we finna take him on the ride in a ZL1 today. If y'all want to see the same video from a different perspective, go subscribe to him because he gonna drop the same exact video. I'm gonna cut the camera back on as soon as we pull up out of here, man. My boy ready? Woo, ready for part 2?
Man, I'm excited, bro.
Oh, Josh put up already.
He pulled up quick.
Fire.
He was all right.
Man, man. I love the RS face, bro. It's the same lights as mine. This do look clean. Cleaned her up.
On the ship now.
Sir, oh yeah, last time we ain't have none of this last time we did that video.
Bro, you just had
brand new,
bro.
hell yeah. Can't get copyrighted. We gotta turn the quando off. Oh, I thought it was recording. But yeah, we greasy. I got this main one on, that's all we need. So y'all already seen the first video when I gave him a ride. The car was 100% stock, y'all. I just bought it then. So now we got this little package from Strictly. He wanna go on a ride. He wanna see the difference, y'all. So we gonna see. Hopefully we can make him get a Camaro still, man.
You want me to get a Camaro bad, man. Y'all tell me what's up, man. Y'all know I've been saying it for a while that I wanted to get a ZL1. I've been saying it on the channel for a minute.
And when we did that video, you had the 10-speed, didn't you?
I had the 10-speed, yeah. I've been wanting the ZL1 since I had my last Mustang. It's either that or a GT350. I want a GT500, but y'all know the prices on them is like up through the roof, man. They taxing on them. Shit, y'all. Y'all pray for me, man.
Oh, pray for me.
what y'all say in the comments and just get one. I ain't gonna lie.
You don't have to, bro.
This shit crazy, bro. Oh my god.
Literally what? Just the trans tune, intake, and a pulley for real.
Just bolt-ons, right? Just basic bolt-ons?
Yeah, basic bolt-ons. Like,
Shit,
imagine
crazy,
once
bro.
we full bolt-on.
Yeah.
I won't really be satisfied until I'm in a 750 plus.
Y'all imagine me in a manual, bro. Cause y'all know if I get one, it's gonna be manual.
Hey, well, imagine. At that point, you could get a 1LE. You feel me?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I
You
could
get a 2017 1LE. Damn near for the same price I got mine for.
Fuck, man.
I swear, Eldon sent me some 1LEs that was cheap, bro.
No, I seen someone at least for a good price for sure. Like right around the price you got this for, maybe a little bit more. Maybe like,
And that's not bad for a 1LE.
not at all, bro. You get the wing, you get the Nars, all that shit, the rims, the tires, the stands. That shit's pretty too. Hey, man. Shit.
I just wish I could hear the whine a little bit more loud,
Yeah.
bro. Like, you can hear it loud, but it's like, not until I really
It's only because you got a smaller supercharger.
Yeah, I think Hellcat's like a 2.3
It's
or
2.3 or something.
yeah, something like that.
They be screaming. Oh, we got sideways. No, when he step on it, this is literally what the back end doing, yo.
Literally
That motherfucker
sideways.
fishtailing, bro. At 60 miles an hour, bro. That shit crazy as hell.
Man.
You know, I think if you like route your intake like through the grill or some shit, that go like right to your grill, you just put like a cover on it so the words get in there.
Oh, yeah.
Your shit gonna scream a lot louder.
Yeah,
And you gonna hear it from the outside, like
Yeah,
super
it's that
loud.
the thing I sent to you on Eldon, that little.
Oh, that's what you was talking about?
Yeah, bro. It's like a vent that goes straight to the intake. Cause
Yeah.
I guess it's like a restricted piece, bro. That a plastic that's just cover up the intake in the air. It's stupid,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh shit. Yo,
We keep
the way
getting
this
some
bitch,
sideways.
the way this bitch pick up speed, y'all. I ain't never been in a car.
It's smooth as fuck,
It's
though,
smooth,
bro.
but you're looking at the gauge and it's
That
just.
bitch is gone.
I'm like, god damn. It's time for a switch, bro. Time for a switch, y'all. You don't know, I ain't gonna be staying in no more. Shit got me thinking, man.
Say no more thing, gang.
Shit got me thinking, man.
Oh man, join the family. You have to wake up on a Chevy, man. Tara.
Yeah, that shit. I don't know why that shit be making the interior look so good. And he comes with sunroof. Mustangs don't even get sunroofs.
Man, that's weird, bro. Cause I can't go without my sunroof. I was saying this, I didn't want one, but I would have been pissed if I didn't get a sunroof.
Yeah, bro, the sunroof, like, it's just, I don't know what it is, but that sunlight coming in.
Like, yeah, you
Just
can make
adds
it dark
to it.
anytime.
Yeah, exactly.
Open it up.
Then you can open it like if you don't want to open your windows to hear your exhaust.
Actual thing. I do it all the time, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy because you can hear the whine more when I do that
You open
shit,
it
bro.
up?
Hell yeah. I'm gonna do some more pulls with the window kind of cracked so you can hear the whine.
All right,
too.
man. Hey, man, y'all go like, subscribe, comment for me, please.
Yes, sir, man. If you're watching my video right now, stop what you're doing. Go to bro page, TJ_Kurt. Go subscribe, man.
I know y'all can do it.
I know my subscribers can do it.
And make sure if you're not subbed to my boy already, what is you doing for one? And go sub, man. Go sub, like, comment, man. He drop consistent bangers.
Man.
Damn near on the daily, man. So make sure y'all go sub this shit and his Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Instagram jumping right now.
Going up.
The real test, 3 underscores on all social media, man.
go wider, bro.
Go
Like,
wider, bro.
I might really have to go 315, 325. Down shit is nasty. Subscribe, man, because we on the road to 1K, man. Both of us trying to get our shit growing, so go subscribe to his page if you subscribe to mine, man. And stay tuned for the giveaway. It'll be at 3,500 subscribers, man. I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I'm out.